Everybody, so when you're doing this, make sure you always take your tire off before you lift it, or if not, you got to get the air impact out. Yeah, go for it.
Is this the right one, yeah?
I don't know.
The right one?
I don't know. Is it? What size you got on your thing?
What's that?
What size?
3/4.
That's the right one. Yep. Give it here. Let's see. Give it here. Bring it to me. There's another notch you can do. Come here. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you how it works. As y'all can see, we're teaching Collin today, so here we go. Put it on number 4. That's more power, okay? Then make sure it's all the way in there before you start pulling the trigger, okay? Like all the way on, because you can strip them. Good job. You shut up. Okay. Okay, give me all the air. Give me all the lugs you've taken off. Okay. You don't need that 3/4 right now. Give me that. Give me the 3/4. You don't need for any of those. Go on the one I have that way. Put your lug nuts in a good safe space. One of those boxes of parts here. Strip it here. Get on the next step. We'll be back in a little bit.
Brakes.
All right, everybody. So we got the tire off, and as I was showing Collin, so this is a wear indicator right there. Okay, and as you can see, I can stick my whole finger there, and I go, oh, that's like so close. But here's the deal. See this here? That is the pad. When you get to that line, that's about when you'd be wearing. So see all that extra, when you'd hit that spot where the line disappears, is when you'd be starting to rub, and that would be going. So
You're sitting on the pipe. What'd you do?
Where's that coming from? She was releasing the pressure. I couldn't figure out where his was coming. The boss was trying to help us get us further ahead than we are. But so we're probably not going to do these brakes today. We're going to check the other side. You never know. They could be, but I do have the brakes already, so we may do them. Or I might wait a little. I mean, there's a lot left. These rotors are 2 years old, so they're pretty good, as you can see. They got a little wear, but they're not that bad. I think 2020 we did them. So, all right, we're gonna get on to that tire. Here we go. First thing first you want to do,
Release.
right here. Yep,
Release.
put it on there.
Do I spin it?
Nope, just hook it onto it.
Which part?
As you can see, we are teaching. Put this on, open it up, and just let it sit here. Just let it on the trigger, and it'll let all the air out of the tire. And then when you get it all out, then you can break the bead. So we'll be back and show you in a minute. All right, everybody. So before we get going, this is my pallet I use for the manual tire changer. I'll put a link below for the manual tire changer. You can get them lots of places. Look, I had to change that bolt because it's already. Here, put that one. Is it over the wood? Yeah. That's right.
I missed.
You gotta push down. Push down. You gotta push down. Go. that simple. Okay? We gotta get another screw for right here because that one went bad. Give me that.
Are we gonna reverse it?
Okay. Reverse it. Nope.
You got it up. That didn't mess up.
Okay, go pause that video.
Okay. Hold on. Yep.
Alright.
Come on,
Right, buddy. Okay. So what this does is gives you the leverage that you need. It gives you an extra push down on removing this tire. So after you release all that tire, first we're going to try it without putting soap on it yet. Sometimes putting the soap on it will assist you. So these manual tire changers come in super handy, so you don't die, and you still get exhausted. What you're gonna do is flip this up. Now, if you can flip it where it's flat, where your tire's up on the actual thing, works even better. Where it's that way, but the way mine, where the boards mount correctly, it does that. So that's where we're at. So take the bar that comes with them. You can grab this, slide it in there. Lift the tire up on the other end. Let's lift it up so it's flat for a second. Yep, lift it up. Okay. And we're good. You can let go. Put my foot under here. And then we just slowly push. Slowly push. And we're going to put a brick under here to help the tire lift it up. We'll be right back.
I'll pause it.
Okay, what up? All right, now, the brick helps. It looks like we do not have enough pressure out of the tire yet, so we're going to hook this on. Again. And feels like it says no pressure. Let's see. We're not getting any. So we're going to go to the soap. Where's the soap? Grab that soap.
Just right on the rim.
Yeah, put it right here. Okay? Good. Okay, stop. Put some right here. You want to first try not to put it directly on the piece because then it gets too slippery and hard for you to put it in there. Okay?
Over here a little bit.
I mean, you can put it all the way around if you want. Just to help not make a mess, we use Gorilla Gloves from Grease Monkey brand. They're usually black. This time they're blue. We ordered them off Amazon. I've never gotten them as blue. I don't know why.
It doesn't matter. It's still it's
They're the same gloves. They look exact same. Feel the same.
They're like almost unbreakable.
They got a good grip.
They're really hard to break.
I would not agree with that.
Look at
It
this.
depends. Don't try to break them on purpose.
I'm not.
All right. So what we do here is that now that that soap's been sitting down there a second, you start doing this, and it helps just slowly stand on that end of the board, please. Okay. And we're barely making a push on it. So now we're stuck in there. Here, come here, give me the extra weight. There we go, I got it. Alright. As you can see, it goes. That soap helps the tire because you're putting pressure on one spot. If not, you got to keep spinning the tire. Hold this up for me.
Hold on, I have to.
So I'm hitting the head. Hold
Struggling.
that up.
I'm struggling.
I know you're struggling. Hold that up. All right. So we do that so that that pressure there, you don't want to put too much soap there because you need the grip or the rubber. It'll start sliding. But if you put it everywhere else, it helps the rest of the tire go with it, like you're putting universal force all the way around, even though you are not putting universal force all the way around. Now, sometimes you do not have to soap the back stuff on that one. Push it down.
You gotta pop the tire.
It's bad in here. Okay. Angle we got here. We have to move it in. Hold this up. Left foot. Okay. Get up on board. That wasn't in enough. Okay. There we go. Usually.
You're in.
Step down on that board. Step right there. The back board.
You're so close.
There you go.
Is that tire off a little bit?
That is off. Now we're going to put it up top. Do the pain in the butt part. This is the easy part, everybody. What we got to do now, take that part off here, hold them, spin it off. Okay, take this piece here. This little arm right here needs to go through where one of the lugs was. The lug starts. So down. Oh, and the cap's still on. There you go. Make sure you put your lug cap out. Okay. So this here helps the tire stay in place. A little part. Then you're going to need a lot of soap. And you're going to need at least these two of these. Okay. I'll put a link to them below. And the one that comes with it will help. So what we do, we got a lot of soap there, so we may be okay, but hold this.
Yeah, I'm going to put a little more here.
Hold on. No, we'll put it on.
Yeah, just a little bit.
No, we got to put it under, kind of. Look.
Oh, I forgot. Here, what do you want me to do?
Spread it. That's why I wear the soap or the gloves.
So you don't feel gross.
So you're not all, well, you have grip still. Okay, so we got one here. Get that. I'll make sure the camera can see what we're doing up here.
Oh, I didn't know.
Go check. No, make sure you can see us. Can it see us?
Yeah, I can see. It can't see our faces, but it can see the
Good job. Can you?
job. That's all it needs.
Okay. You want to bring it closer and see if that'll help? Hold on. Okay, we're going to lift you guys up. See if you can see a little better. Hold on. Okay. There you got a little better room, a little better angle on it. Okay. You're going to take both of these and slide them in there. And you want to make sure you got that in like that.
Here, put it towards me.
And in the same time, like this, get them both, and then use it like scissors. And we're going to need more soap. Grab the soap because it's not on the inside. Put it right here and right here. Put it on top of the bars. Right on top, that's good. And it will slide in there. Like we need. Down. I'm gonna do it. Hold this. So we're gonna soap the inside. Okay. Some tires you don't need to do it.
But for some reason, our luck is just.
Well, it's just some tires ply a little more. These are truck tires. They have thicker walls. So put it on your hand. Reach in and go under the bottom of the rubber like this. What's that called? As you know, the kid's helping, so he's helped sometimes, but really, he doesn't know what he's doing. He's goofing off, but he's got to learn. So that's what we're doing. Stop doing that. You're crushing my fingers, dude.
No. There, you got it.
Try not to get too upset with them, because if you get upset with them, they don't learn anything, and then they get mad at you. All right. Just let them goof off as long as they're not making it too bad. Okay. Same thing. Nope. Right there. That's my face. Okay? So you get both of them in there. And then what you do, like I said, is like scissors. And usually you get your body in here. And you pry. Give me that red one.
We're going to
We're getting it. We're getting it. There it goes.
between?
No, I got it. Yeah, actually. Hold on. No. That's not what I'm doing. That's not what we're doing. Take this guy out. The red one has a little more leverage, so sometimes it's better for this.
I got it.
And you just go. You gotta stand where I am if you want to do this. So you're gonna one hand here, one hand here. Nope, no. On this. No. On this. Pull that towards yourself. Okay? Feel that leverage. Got it? Now move your fingers out. Hold here. Yep. And as you can see, you sometimes need to use that bar. You also need to, he doesn't understand. We're done. We got that. It's off, okay? So now what we have to do is soap the inside like we did here, but on that part. So bring that soap. Yep. And then you need to soap in here, down on the rubber, on the tips of your fingers. Rub it right under the rim, all under the rim, so that it slips right up on. Get it on the actual metal right under this rim. You good?
Wait, I'm getting a little bit more.
Okay, give me both pry bars. We'll go with that guy. Give me the red one. We're gonna just do the red ones with the tire slide right here behind me.
Here, where do I go?
Right here, same spot like we did. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, lift the tire up for me. Lift the tire up as hard as you can. Or you want me to do it? You hold these. Don't let these slide. Got them both? Okay. Stay where you are. Don't move. Don't get hit in the face. Don't hit me in the face. There you go. Now pull them down. Wait, not like that. Got it. Like that. Hold on. Same system. You just go like this. Now go get some soap. Go get some soap. Okay, since we got it up. Now you want to go on the outside of this rim right here. Okay, everybody, so on the top part like we did, but under it. Can you soap it all the way around?
I'm trying.
Here, you want me to do it?
Yeah,
You just pour me soap.
I got it.
Your hands should be pretty soapy. Okay? And just go along here. All, look at, nope, all the way in, right here. See my hand?
Oh, right here.
All the way where you're touching the metal on that part. Because that's the part where our tools are going to go, and you need our tools to slide. Now go to the other side. Get some more soap. Right here. See it? All the way touching the metal almost, but on the rubber. You see it?
Yeah.
Fill it in that spot. All that area. See how this metal's here?
Yeah.
Get this whole area. Look. Soap, 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 everything. I'm gonna steal some of the soap up top. Assist.
There.
Don't worry about using too much soap because you can't. It'll make your job easier. And then look. See? Stand on the. You gonna do this?
Here.
Okay, you gotta do the parts, and I'm gonna stand in the middle. Nope. This guy goes that way. That guy goes that way. Watch your hands. Nope, no, towards this way. This way. You need to stand over here, buddy. Right here in front of the camera. Let go this hard. Let go. This one pushes, this one pulls.
Oh.
You're doing the opposite. Your hand's gonna get crushed. Watch out. You want me to get started for you?
Yeah.
All right, everybody. So, just in case you can't figure out, because he's not. This one is push. This one is pull. So you want to do it like this. Hold the wood for me so it doesn't move. Okay, come up here. Reach here and grab this while holding the wood. Hold the wood still too. You ready? Okay. Okay, you want to do the rest of the pushing?
Yeah.
Come over here and I'll hold that for you. Grab this, you go over here, wait till I'm there. Okay, towards you. There you go. And we're free. Okay? So that tire's done. Pulled off, as y'all can see. So it's uneven wear here. It wasn't, I mean, it was bad, but it wasn't that bad because this truck only gets about 4,000 miles a year on it. But it's bad. Here. See the wear? And then there's dry rot. But we got state inspection, so it's got to be done. This was a used tire when I put it on. So,
You want me to grab the other tire?
oh, where's the other tire? Right there by you.
Where?
Oh, it's out in the yard. Go grab it. Bring tire in the view. We're going with the Cooper Discover AT3s. I love these tires. They last forever. On my Avalanche, I put them, and you know I get 50,000 miles, and they still don't really need to be replaced. But I replace it. No, that stays where it is. No, that stays. I gotta hold it in place. New tire going on. Take the stickers off. Put this yellow sticker off. Can you get that one off? No,
I can't.
that's just the one with our address and stuff. All right. So you want to make sure if you're going black sidewalls out or white lettering. We are going sidewalls, no lettering out. Okay. So put this on like this, and we're gonna have to soap this. So grab the soap. Okay.
Put it.
Tons of soap all around here. Make sure the camera can see what we're doing right here. Back it up a few feet. I probably can't. Pull it backwards. Keep lifting up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Get to see what I'm doing?
You can see your hands in the tire completely.
Okay. Hand. Okay, stop, stop. This is the new tire. You want to be excessively liberal with the soap. Okay? I don't recommend that in other parts of your life, but right here, get a little liberal with it, and things will be okay.
Just a little bit of soap.
Just soap the out of it, okay? You do not want to tear your new tire. That's why they do them. A lot of them they do them in the water. That's what keeps them lubed.
For a second.
No, we're good. When it's time to get that one. All right, so we're both gonna do this. Sometimes you can just push it on. So we're gonna do this. So Collin, stand on the other side of the tire. Put that down.
I need to make sure they can see what we're doing.
They can.
I'm making sure. Yep.
Okay.
Actually, wait, hey, I need to bring it a little bit closer.
I'm gonna push, and he's going to assist by like pushing down there. Okay. So close. So close. Okay, hold it right there. Don't let it go. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna soap it, and I'm gonna stick it right here. Look up. Look a second. There's just a little bit loose I can get. Oh, do not push down while I'm doing this. Don't push down while I'm doing this. Watch yourself. And I'm going to stretch the tire. Now push down.
We're sort of close. There we go. Jesus
There you go.
Christ.
All right. That's it.
I almost ate it.
Now we're going to have to soap like we did crazily all on the inside of the tire.
Right here?
So, nope. Like this.
I have to pull it open.
Yep, you hold the tire up while I soap it. Lift it up. 2 hands. Lift it up. Here, set the soap right here. Set it in the middle so we have it to reach. Rest it in that hole. Okay. Stop. Just leave it. Lift the tire up in the air. Just a little. Okay. More soap. More soap.
Put your hand up.
Okay.
I'm just using my knee to hold it.
Okay. Let's get it on there, okay? Alright, stop. That's good. Now we're going the opposite way. Take this bar. You can also use this end if you do, but I always have trouble with it.
With you?
Hold on, just hold it. We're gonna hop up my finger.
What do you want me to have?
Okay, so we're gonna take 2 of these, pry that down a little, and then we're gonna take the other bar, grab that bar.
The red?
Nope.
Brown?
Yep.
The brown rusty.
Okay. So you need to hold the tire right there, Collin. Okay? And I'm gonna do not let it move. Nope, don't do anything, just hold it. I'm gonna go around and pull a little down each time. And I'm gonna go a little further and pull a little down. Yeah, he's holding it so it doesn't spin. And then I go a little further and I pull it down. And sometimes you gotta use the third one when this happens. But we let the sun sit out, the tire sit out in the sun.
It's hot as
So it's hot and pliable.
Hot.
It's the best thing to do is if you can, let it sit in the sun for an hour or so before you go to work on it because it will
Like put the tire in the sun while you're taking off the tire.
everything. So it's pliable. Okay, there we go. As you can see, we're almost there. And we're gonna try this guy in here is the third one. A little bigger rim, a little bigger arm for leverage. Bam, over it. Get this out of the way. There we go. Push down. Tire's done. Okay, now since it's pliable, if we fill this air compressor up, we're going to fill it to full power, 150 pounds. Sometimes you can get it to pop on right here on the rim. If not, I'm going to have to show you how to do it
You have to let
with some starting fluid and some matches, okay?
Okay, we're good.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, he said these are super durable, but I ripped them. We're videoing,
Well,
okay?
you suck, so.
Shush. So here we go. You want full power in your air compressor, 150, or it won't be able to check the beat. We're not ready.
I thought it was,
Okay, go ahead. There we go. Hold on. There it goes. Keep going. Don't do anything. Keep going. It's going to set itself around 16 psi usually. Let's see. Let go. And it's set it about 8 or 9.
Is it
So
10?
keep
So
going.
it's not
We're 10.
16?
No, we got to fill it all the way up.
I thought 16.
No, 16 is usually when it pops.
Oh.
So be ready around 16 for it to go boom boom again. Okay?
What is it?
The soap helps this in letting the tire be pliable. If not, the walls kind of fall in, and then you have to do the gas sliding,
21.6.
where you put starting fluid around it, throw a match in, and pop it. I think I have a video like that. You never know, our second tire may not go on well.
23.
We need 33 in here. These are a low range E. These are a low range E, so I could actually run 80 psi, but I'm not holding that much weight ever. The trailer's only about 2,500 pounds. And then another 1,000 equipment. 33.
31. 33.4.
Okay. Got it? All right, everybody. So that is how you fill a tire with one of these.
It's a lot
as you can
easier
see, with 2 people, you're going to need, it is, the pallet makes a huge difference. I used to have just the boards. You need leverage on the thing. You can see I'm still rocking a ton.
You need somebody to stand
These things
on.
are neat, but it would be a better system if they had like a big giant plate on the bottom you could just mount to stuff, like the ground or this. Instead, I had to put boards inside the holes, and I had to cut those shorter. This one goes all the way through the middle, and those are 2 little pieces.
You may take the tire off.
It's not a great system, but it works. As you can see,
Need my help?
lots of soap. Take this off. We're going to go put it back on, but we actually can't put it back on yet because we are going to do the
Other one.
sway bar links and sway bar bushings while we got the tire off. So we're going to end this video. Hope you liked it. Don't stop yet.
I'm just coming.
Get your kids out there. Get them doing the stuff. They're going to complain. They're going to say,
I
no,
didn't
video
come.
games I can be. Once they're out here, as long as your kid isn't a complete butthole, they usually have some fun with it. So, yeah, there we go. Nice sweet tire set on. If you're worried about the balance, you could always take it somewhere and get it balanced and rotated cheaply. They'll throw some weights on and rotate them, whatever. I usually just rotate it myself. Most of the time I'm fine. Unless I feel it wobbling, and then I'll take it in and get it balanced and rotate where they add weights. That it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put a link below for this jack.
Just find any pallet from anywhere.
Any pallet you can get, or just some big boards, whatever you got. Just you need length. You
Some-
put 2x4 through there.
I was about to say.
Make sure it's like 6 to 8 feet long, and then some 3-footers or something. I don't know. Figure it out.
If you
Some way to mount
have,
it.
if you have a place, maybe you can also, what do you call it? If you have like a big open backyard, get some like smaller blocks, put them in the ground.
You could cement this in the ground if it's at your house and you don't
That's
care
what I
and
said.
you have the place. Put cement. Just cement this dang
Or-
thing in the ground.
Or just cement like,
and get a tarp over it to cover it, but
Yeah.
it would probably wear and tear.
or
over
just
time.
cement like 4 little blocks of wood, and then
Something.
drill whenever you
Something
need them.
and mount into it. Some kind of permanent you can do if you want. This pallet works enough for us, and if it wears down, I'll just find another pallet somewhere and start using it. That's it. You got any questions? Like I said, I'm going to put all the tools I've used in here just to help you out. If you guys buy it off my Amazon link, I might get like 30 cents. It'll be the same price if you don't use my link, but you'll help me help you help me. And I really appreciate it, especially nowadays when everything's $8 million for
A bag of
these tires.
Doritos.
I got lucky. Walmart lowered the price on them down to $139. Like they just dropped down like $40, but they got over like $200 when I was paying like $110 for these just a year and a half ago. Y'all know why. So
That's it.
it'll help. I think that's it. Yeah. So please like, subscribe.
We're gonna do the
Helps.
other tire.
Yeah, we're gonna do the other tire. We're not gonna do it on video,
But
but
we'll do it on video if we need to light on
if the
fire.
tire doesn't do it, we're gonna add that on with the light in it.
But it shouldn't need to because we put it in the
In the
sun.
for a while. It's been over there sitting, but not as long as this.
Yeah.
So that's it. Please like, subscribe. It helps during times. And as always, I'm RJ.
Seize the day, each every day. Bye
You heard
bye.
him. Bye bye.